everyone, today I want to talk about Lightroom presets. I want to give you 5 reasons why you should never use someone else's presets, you shouldn't pay for them, don't use them even if they're free. I'm sure you've noticed other photographers and websites showing presets for sale, showing beautiful before and after photos, thinking, I'd love those results too. Some are as much as $100. You know, the ones that go from normal photo to beautiful sunrise with sun shining in the back, soft skin. I'm sorry to burst your bubble, but those are not indicative of the results you're going to see on your photography. It's going to be more trouble than it's worth, and I'm going to give you 5 good reasons why you shouldn't use them even if they're free. Number 1, environments always change, but presets are fixed. Every environment, every day, is going to be different. The light and the color are going to change, unless you're in a studio with a controlled lighting environment. If you think about it, you'll never get the same result every time with one click out of the box, unless you're controlling the environment and it's the same every time. One preset was never meant to apply to all photos at all times. Number 2 is automation quality is gone. Some might argue that presets were meant to just get you closer to the final result. It's up to you to tweak it the rest of the way. Well, now the work's back on you to change the photo, and what do you change? Which of the 100 settings on Lightroom do you adjust to go from here to there to get the results that they have? Nobody knows. Unfortunately, you're going to end up with something looking over-processed because you're stretching something from a different starting point to try and get from A to B, and it's just not going to look the same. Number 3 is about challenge and growth. If you just apply somebody else's presets to all of your photos, how are you going to learn how they figured out how to get there? It's through experimentation, through raw photos, trying to get somewhere beautiful, that you learn the program, how all of the settings work, so that you can understand it better. Presets take that away from you. Number 4 is my favorite and most important. It's originality. If you're using somebody else's presets, you're kind of copying somebody else's work and somebody's style. Wouldn't you want your own style and your own work to stand out? Someone took time to create that preset to make a cool look. You should do the same and create your own style. I hate to say this, but if you're going to buy somebody's presets, you might as well hire them to do the shoot too, because you've already gone halfway. Post-production is half the job. Number 5 is longevity. If you think about it, this preset's available online to everybody. So if everybody's using it, and it's all over the internet, it's going to be oversaturated, and the trend is going to die. So your work's going to look boring and stale. So you have to create your own work in your own style, and don't worry about what everybody else is doing, and leave those presets alone. In conclusion, there's nothing wrong with trying and playing around with presets, but don't use it on your best work, on your portfolio work. That's somebody else's work. And by batching all of your work with the same look, you're handicapping your learning and your style overall. So I hope that helps you guys out. If you enjoyed this and learned something, please hit like and subscribe. Visit demonandphotography.com or my Instagram for even more info. Bye for now.